Is your Windows server running slower over time? Disk fragmentation could be the culprit, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically schedule disk defragmentation using both built-in Windows Server tools and a powerful third-party solution, AOMEI Partition Assistant. Let's get your system running faster step by step. First, let's use Task Scheduler to automate disk defragmentation. 1. Press Win+R, type task.msc, and press Enter. 2. In the left panel, click Task Scheduler Library, then click Create Basic Task. 4. Choose how often to run the task. Weekly is a good start. 5. Set the day and time, maybe Sunday night when the server is idle. 6. Finish the wizard and you're done. For more advanced control and real-time optimization, let's use AOMEI Partition Assistant Server Edition. 1. Launch the program. From the left menu, select All Tools, Schedule Defrag. 2. Select the disk you want to defrag, like C or D. 3. Click Schedule, and set how often and when it should run daily, weekly, or monthly. 4. You can also set thresholds like only defrag when fragmentation is above 10%. Run in background while idle. Click OK, and it will now keep your drive optimized automatically. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.